The 2020 CR-V has launched. The press got their hands on it, and apparently they had a really good time.
Kelley Blue Book, best buy in its class for 2020. No other small SUV offers a better overall combination of utility, fuel efficiency, comfort, and performance. Edmunds.com. 2020 Best Compact SUV for the money. U.S. News & World Report. The best-selling crossover utility vehicle over the last decade. Want to know more about the 2020 CR-V? You've come to the right place.
The CR-V looks sharp from any angle. And it has the smarts to back it up. Like available LED headlights for extra visibility and elegance. The CR-V also comes standard with a turbocharged engine and is available with all-wheel drive. To help save gas, the CR-V is equipped with idle stop, which shuts off the engine when stationary for more than 2 seconds. And there's the Econ button, which can help you drive more efficiently. I also get the pleasure of introducing you to the CR-V Hybrid.
It's powered by a dual-motor hybrid system and gasoline engine that delivers 212 total system horsepower and has regenerative braking, which helps recharge the lithium-ion battery when you slow down. If you want to drive using only the electric motor, press the EV mode button. If you want to have some fun, press the sport mode button. And get this, every CR-V Hybrid is equipped with all-wheel drive standard. Best of all, the new CR-V Hybrid delivers an EPA city rating of 40 miles per gallon. That's 48% more than the standard CR-V. The best-selling CUV over the last decade is now available as a hybrid.
As sleek as the CR-V is on the outside, it's just as refined on the inside. You've got plenty of space and plenty of available amenities, like leather trimmed seats, heated leather trimmed front seats, a heated leather wrapped steering wheel, a power adjustable driver's seat that stores 2 seating positions, and dual zone climate control, so everyone can enjoy the perfect temperature. And with an available premium audio system, you can be the DJ of your driving experience. With the CR-V, charging your compatible phone is easier than ever. Just set it down on the available wireless phone charger. Told you it was easy. The CR-V also has an available 7-inch display audio touchscreen to help you access navigation, music, and messages. That includes accessing the apps on your iPhone or compatible Android phone. To top it all off, every CR-V has a multi-angle rear view camera. Be right back. The CR-V is available with a height-adjustable, hands-free access, power tailgate. You also get plenty of cargo space. Fold down the 60/40 split rear seat back, and you go from spacious to even more space. You can also gear up with Honda genuine accessories to help make the most out of every adventure. The CR-V can also help sense things above you and things you might miss while driving, thanks to Honda Sensing, a suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies that's standard on every CR-V. It includes the collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system, lane keeping assist system, and adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow. The CR-V is also equipped with the blind spot information system and cross-traffic monitor, which help you when you're changing lanes or backing up. Speaking of safety features, the CR-V is engineered with Honda's ACE body structure, which absorbs and deflects energy from a frontal collision. We've covered a lot of ground about what makes this latest Honda CR-V the smartest choice, and you can get every last detail at crv.honda.com. But I just keep coming back to what really appeals to me. It's such a blast to drive. Of course, the only way to really feel it is to drive it yourself. So head on over to your nearest Honda dealer now and Take it for a test spin.